How to use your remote control. Using the remote control, you can start or stop the wash-dry functions, increase or decrease the power of the wash, and change the position of the wash arm to suit your own personal needs. When sat on the toilet and comfortable, press the large round Start/Stop button at the top of the remote control once. This is the bottom wash function. One press will activate the flush, then wash, then dry procedure. You can cancel at any time by pressing the Start/Stop button. From the initial press of the Start button, there is a short delay whilst the toilet flushes and cleans the wash arm. Once the wash has begun, you can use the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the power of the wash to what is most comfortable for yourself. If the wash isn't quite cleaning the area you need it to, then you can use the arrow buttons to adjust the length of the wash arm, moving it forward or backwards into 5 different positions. The lady wash function can be activated by pressing the symbol of the lady on your remote control. The lady wash function is not intended to wash the bottom. The toilet will flush and clean the nozzle before the wash arm comes out and will extend further than the bottom wash to help to clean females after urinating. By using the plus or minus or the side buttons, you can adjust the lady wash to suit your own needs. The hairdryer button allows you to control the dryer functions, turning it on and off as required. By using the plus or minus buttons, you can increase or decrease the speed of the dryer. The swirl button next to the dryer button is the flush button. Whilst you can flush the toilet like any normal toilet, using this button gives you control to flush as and when needed, ideal for those who sit on the toilet for a long period of time. Preset 1, 2 and 3 allows you to add your favorite wash settings, ideal for those who need different styles of wash dependent on their condition or for other family members. If the LED multifunction light appears, refer to the video booklet cover.